Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today, I need to share something that might change the way you think about Domino's Pizza, one of the biggest names in the game. We all know Domino's for fast delivery, flashy deals, and affordable pizza that's hard to resist. But what if I told you there's a side of Domino's you've never seen? A side they don't want you to know. Multiple reports and customer experiences suggest that Domino's often uses low-quality cheese loaded with preservatives and artificial colors to keep it looking fresh longer. The dough? It sometimes contains artificial sweeteners and additives that can be harmful if consumed regularly. There are even complaints from customers who say they've been served pizzas with frozen or old cheese, things that should never be on your plate. Eating such food can cause serious stomach issues and even food poisoning. The additives mask the real taste, and the nutrition, it takes a hit too. And it's not just the ingredients. Many Domino's locations have been reported for poor cleanliness and unsafe food handling practices, from kitchens that aren't properly sanitized to food stored at unsafe temperatures. These risks can lead to illnesses. If you care about your health, it's important to know that Domino's pizzas are packed with excessive sodium, unhealthy fats, and calories. Eating them regularly puts you at risk for obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. This is especially worrying for families with kids. There's also a darker story behind the scenes. Domino's workers, the delivery drivers and kitchen staff, often face poor wages and unsafe work conditions. When you order from Domino's, think about the people making and delivering your food. Are they being treated fairly? You might be wondering if this is all hype or true. I've dug through multiple customer reviews, news reports, and investigations, and the evidence points to serious problems at Domino's that you deserve to know about. If you love pizza, try making it at home with fresh ingredients, or support local pizzerias that care about quality and safety. Your health and your family's health come first. So, before you place that next Domino's order, think twice. Know what's really on your plate. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they don't get fooled either. Stay safe, stay informed, and eat smart.